Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a video on grid multiplication. We have 975 times 87 and we're going to break the 975 into its 900, its 70 and its 5. So that's its hundreds, its tens and its units. And we're going to do the same with 87. Break it up into its tens and its units. And we're going to multiply into this grid those sections. So 80 times 900, there are 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. 8 times 9 is 72. 70 times 80, or 8 times 7 is 56 with the 2 zeros. 5 times 80, from our 5 times table, 8 times 5 is 40 with that extra 0. Now we move into here. This is the 7 times 975. So 7 times 9 is 63 with those 2 zeros. 7 times 7, a square number, is 49 with that extra 0. 5 times 7 is 35. Now what we have to do is add those 6 sections up together. So I'm going to start with 72,000, 5,600, 400, which is, add that up, 0, 0, 6, and 4 is 10, carry that 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 78,000. I then need to add those 3, 6,300, 490, and 35. I could have done that all in one step, but I'm just showing you that addition and then that addition. So that's 5, 9 and 3 is 12, carry that 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, add that 4 is 8, plus that 6, and now I just need to add that 6,825 to that 78,000. I'll do that here, 78,000 plus 6,825, and I get, adding all those sections, 8 and 6 is 14, carry that 1, oops, 84,825. So I'll write that a bit clearer, 84,825. I could have done that in one long column, but I think it was easier to break it down into that section and then that section. So if we want to check this, and if we're used to maybe doing column multiplication, let's do that here. 975 times 87, and what we'll see is we're actually doing the same multiplications just in different orders. So here I'm going to do 80 times 975, which is what we did here, and I'm going to do 7 times 975, which is what we did here. So I'll first start by working out the 7 times 975. So 7 times 5 is 35, carry the 3, 7 times 9 is 49, adding those 3 is 52. Cross those off once we're done. 7 times 9 is 63, plus that 5 is 68, but 6,825, which is the same number we saw there. So that is the 7, that's the timesing by 7. So we've done that. We now move into the next row and we put a 0 there because we're now doing 80. So we're going to do 8 times 5, which is 40. Put the 4 above there. 8 times 7, which is 56, plus the 4, which is 60. Put a 0 there. Carry the 6 up there. I've crossed the previous ones off, so don't get confused what's above there. Some people write them below. 9 times 8 is 72, plus that 6 is 78. And that's the 78,000 that we saw here, which is why I didn't put in one column earlier. I wanted to split that up so we could see that's the 78,000 from the 80 times 975. That's the 6,825 from the 7. Now I'll add them up. 5, 2, 8, 6 and 8 is 14. Carry that 1. 84,825, which is exactly what we had before. But just to show you that that was correct, you choose whichever method you prefer in a test. But that's the grid method, breaking it up, and that's the column method. You're actually doing the same steps, just in different orders. Okay, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And do send in more homework requests and I'll happily make a video.